Bubbles, I'm done.
Keep getting more stuff
There's
out.
more stuff in here, honey.
Get the rest. More bubbles.
I think I feel one more thing in here.
There's more in there, Alexis.
One more thing.
And 3 bubbles.
3 bubbles.
And 3 presents.
More bubbles.
Bubbles! Yay! Bubbles!
Yay!
Yeah. Alright.
Actually, I got 4
And look-
candies.
Look at
See?
you rubber duckies.
This is what I always wanted. Coding coins.
Got a couple little bags they can put their stuff in.
Hey, this is what I always like.
That's awesome.
Coins
Chocolate
that I-
coins?
Chocolate.
You want your candy canes to put in your stocking, Max? Max?
What?
You want these to put with that?
Yeah. Oh, see how much I got? I got 1,
That's not
2, 3.
Could help if you put some glasses on, you can see a little better. Tommy?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
I can't wait to see what Santa brought you for presents.
You start opening your presents?
What?
Your presents?
You want to give Alex hers?
Yeah. Here's Alexis. I think you're gonna give stuffed animal like we wanted. Yeah.
Yeah.
He got my letter. I need a turtle.
Holy cow.
Whoa! Leonardo
Is
toy.
that your dolly that's
Be careful so you don't hit her, Max.
Look at, I got Leonardo toy like I always
Nice.
wanted. Oh yes. Oh! My Batman shirt! 2 Batman shirts.
Wow.
food?
I think I'm gonna get my toys.
Alexis, you got a sticker?
My net, Mom.
Wow, that's a really cool
What's on there? A
net.
turtle?
No, that's a frog.
Frog.
That's all.
That's going to be a good lizard catching net, isn't it?
Oh, what's this? This is your last one. I even got a baby doll.
Uh-huh, and stickers.
Stickers. And you also have this. Oh.
Find the box and put all that stuff in there. Toilet paper.
Oh, look, right over it, right there. I got started for you. Good job. Now open it. Open it. Oh, that's not your stuffed animal. I guess you didn't get your stuffed animal. Whoa! Phone for you? Pretty cool. What's this?
That's pretty cool, huh?
See, I always wanted this Ninja Turtle. Oh, look at it. You can move him around.
Oh, she says, oh. Max and Lexus. Lexus, look at Mama. Lexus. She's too busy. Thanks, Max. You got your
How many you want my golden coins? I'm only golden. Yeah, silver.
You can have one. You got 'em?
Do you get lots of fun stuff?
Check this out.
I got a whole bunch of my stuff. I'm gonna wear it at school sometime.
Yeah.
It's like my Spider-Man shirt.
What?
Just like Cole has it,
Does it?
but it's a sweatshirt.
Yeah.
Look, I got her. She wanted her stickers and she got it, but she didn't get her stuffed animal.
There you go.
Okay, get everything. She got her doll. She had that on her list. Stickers. was another thing? Toy phone.
And
She had all that stuff on her list.
where is oh, and she didn't get her. No, she didn't get her other thing.
Her hair bows she got.
She didn't get her stuffed animal.
I'm so worried about that stuff.
Alexis, can you say Merry Christmas?
I thought that thing was a stuffed animal, but it wasn't.
Alexis,
It was a toy phone.
Alexis. Where's Grandma? Merry Christmas.
Susie.
Merry Christmas.
These